And then you find stuff like this.
That you never knew you needed.
Okay. Mom and I are going to show you how to shop like professionals at the thrift store. There is a secret to the method that we use. These are top secret.
Top
letting
secret.
Everybody know. Number one, you have to go frequently.
Oh yeah, that is the main one.
I have been to the Restore because I'm looking for stuff for our kitchen remodel stuff. I am not exaggerating. The month of February, there's 28 days, and I have probably been 26 or 20. I've probably been 30 times.
Now that is a little bit extreme, but you need to go at least once or twice a week, especially if you're looking for something.
And I've saved almost $10,000
Yeah.
by making a trip that's less than a mile away from my house.
Because
pick
like
something up.
My thrift store would put new stuff out every day, and so you never knew when that one item you're looking for would be out. You know, they could get it the next day. Everybody asks about my jewelry. This is where I get most of my jewelry. I can get it for, well, I used to get it for $1.45. I don't know how much it is now.
$1.50.
So
they have lots of cute stuff.
They do have a lot of cute things. If you need something to go with a specific outfit, you know,
or resell it.
Or resell it. Yeah. Something like this little dish is cute to put by your sewing things, to put your needles or your thimbles, your spool, just to hold everything together, to keep it neater and together.
Those make cute doilies.
Oh yeah. Those are cute.
I'll get some of those actually. Yeah.
Trying to decide. I guess I could get it for 50 cents.
Show it to me.
What is it?
Okay, so they have Mom's favorite cleaner. Show the top. 50 cents. So look for other stuff that you might use, not just clothes and stuff. The next thing is hit them early, because as Mom likes to say, it'll be all picked over. Don't you say that all the time? We gotta go early so it's not all picked over. So go early. And the other thing is, a lot of people drop stuff off on Saturdays. So go Monday morning or around 10 or so after they've gotten all the Saturday stuff put out, because Saturday's their big day.
People do cleaning on the weekend, and then they haul the stuff in.
And then the next tip is go on the days when most people won't be going. So today is Tuesday when all of our thrift stores are open, but it's less busy than Saturday when everybody's off work.
Yeah, yeah.
So we try to hit on Tuesday so that we get all the good deals.
Another thing, I carry a little tiny purse over to keep your hands free. That's a little bonus tip in there.
Yeah.
Most places keep it pretty neat and tidy, and I do like the thrift stores that do keep it neat and tidy better, you know.
Yes.
It's just more comfortable.
Next tip is always check the freebies. You never know what you will find. And occasionally I have found a thing or two that was actually pretty good. Nobody just bought it. I pretty much get all of my organizing stuff at thrift stores. I don't buy anything new for organizing. It's all pretty much thrift stores. I keep looking because our favorite microwave bowl broke and I cannot find it anywhere, not even new. It's a Nordic ware. Absolutely love that thing, but alas, they don't have it again.
I always lose you.
You always lose me.
Yeah. You're like your father. You wander off and I spend 10 minutes trying to find you.
Okay, grief. Okay, the other thing is to dig.
Yeah.
Lift stuff up and look and see what's underneath, because you never know
what you might find.
What you'll find down below. Or like in
now
here.
See, look at, I just found embroidery pet. This was on top, and this is embroidery.
Oh, sure not actually. Oh, are there any cute ones in there?
Well, that's what I'm gonna look at.
Those are kind of cute.
I got this one, I think. This one here.
Oh, do you?
I can go ahead and get it in case I don't have it. Yeah.
I need to find me some old dish
Do you want
dish
that
towels. Yeah, that one's cute.
Okay.
I'm looking for old dish towels as we're going here too, because a viewer said that she thinks it's the type of cotton that's causing dish towels not to be absorbent now.
Yeah, because my old flour sacks I got from like 25, 30 years ago do fine for me.
I'm wondering if it's the laundry detergent. I think it's the laundry detergent, because the lady swore up and down that linen calendars made great dish towels, and I got some and they didn't absorb either. So I'm wondering if it's the laundry detergent.
See, I don't have any problem with mine. I've used them for years, and I've tried the microfiber eggs, and they don't work any better, or as well even. You can get a ton of craft and sewing notions for almost nothing.
Yeah.
Because they don't know what the prices are. Most people don't do when they put them out here and price them. So they think they're not important. I mean, look, there's hoops here that you can get for quilting and different things. And they put a really low price because they don't always know what the prices are on this stuff. So you can get good deals. No.
I think I need more, Mom.
You do not need more of those.
It's only 75 cents for two.
No.
Two.
No, you got
two.
them coming out of your eyeballs.
I'm taking it. Okay, so here's a new one. 25 cents. And it is not expired. Right there.
Huh.
So you can get all kinds of stuff. Bath and Beauty. I don't usually get used makeup.
No.
If it's sealed, I'll get makeup.
But you can get sealed makeup, yeah.
Candles. Ooh, there's a candle. Oh, I need a candle. $1.50. That's not that great of a deal. If it was a quarter, I'd take it.
Yeah, you have to know your prices.
Yes, we're going to demonstrate that.
Yeah. That's one thing when you shop with somebody else. Be careful because they talk you into buying stuff a lot of times that you don't need to.
No, I just talked myself into it.
Now, I'm the mother, so I talk her out of doing stuff. So that's different. But,
And yet, I still have it.
and yet she picked them up anyway.
Okay, the next one is test your electrical stuff. We get a lot of electrical stuff, and most of them will let you test it, or they test it and say if it works or not. But the other thing is if you get it home and it doesn't work, ask if you can take it back, because a lot of places will let you take it back.
Yeah.
If it's like 48 hours or 72 hours, or 48 hours or 7 days or something, but ask if you can take it back if it doesn't work, and test it at the thrift store before you leave. But a lot of things work really good.
Yeah, and if you get something broken from a thrift store, sometimes, and you can't take it back, sometimes you can tear parts off of it, or tear it apart, or do something to jimmy rig it to fix it, you know, so.
Yeah, like I bought some hot rollers, and I didn't realize that the clips they only had 4 clips. Well, that's not gonna do me any good. But I know I was here, they had another set that had clips, that's only $1. So I'm gonna see if they still have the set, use the clips from those for the other hot rollers that I know work. And it was only $2 for hot rollers.
Yeah, so.
Good deal. Yep. Okay, we're standing here at the thrift store talking to a viewer, and look what I found. Does anybody have any clue what in the world this thing?
No, it's not elastic.
There's no clasp.
Is it?
What in the world could that be? That is just weird. Okay, so the next tip is
Bribe your
bribe your
employees.
thrift store employees. They did me a huge favor, so I'm bringing them brownies. But no, the other tip is people say, well, I don't know if this stuff is going to work, so I don't want to waste money on things that don't work, like appliances or whatever. So give them your quilting.
Well, I went and bought a quilting cutting mat. It was a $60 one, and I paid $2 for it. So even if I got it home and it wasn't going to work for me, or I had other things I bought that I lost money on, I saved so much on just that one item that I can afford to lose a couple of things that don't work for me.
And a lot of that stuff you can resell.
You can resell it. You can, like I said before, you can use the parts from it or do something like that.
And so stop saying you're going to lose money. Yeah, there's things that we have bought that haven't worked, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
It's really not that big of a deal. So just go ahead and buy it and save yourself some money.
Yeah, balances out in the end where you'll save a lot in spite of it.
Mother, I found your Mother's Day present right here. There you go.
I'm sure you should buy that for
Dearest Mom, you're loving and tender, so thoughtful too. I was blessed by God when He gave me you.
Are you being sarcastic?
Except I think it's the other way around. Because
I'm blessed
you
with
were given me. Oops, there. And then you find stuff like this.
that you never knew you needed. But
Okay. I honestly can say I have no idea how someone would use this in their house. What is it?
Is it a dental chair?
I have never seen anything like this.
You do find unique things. You know, that's what people don't realize. I find some really different things.
And look, it has an ashtray. Ooh, gross, it's been used.
Oh, gross.
Okay. Well, anyway. Okay, guys, what is this? It says Belvedere. And how in the world would a normal person use this?
I wonder if it's a dental chair from the 1950s, because you were allowed
Oh,
to
surely you
smoke
don't
back
have
then.
this while you're getting your teeth done? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, people smoked all the time, so you guys can't
Not while you're at the
understand.
dentist.
Yes. People smoked when I'd go to the dentist.
You wouldn't be sitting in the dental chair smoking, Mother.
If you had to wait for the stuff to take.
Surely that can't be a dental chair.
How about a barber shop?
Maybe a barber shop. But still, I don't know. That's interesting. And the next tip is to get to know the people at your thrift store. So my thrift store was throwing this away, and I happened to mention that I needed some pegboard, and he said, well, I just threw some in the trash. And so he just gave it to me for free because it was trash. But I am a Cooper, and I will make it trash to treasure.
That is a good tip. Get to know your people. I do that at my bank. I do that at the pharmacy. I walk in. I don't go through a drive-through. I talk to them, visit with them, and get to know them. It really makes a difference.